Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. Yesterday, guys, it was like a movie. So the market was like seriously moving. It was crazy. So before we continue, because we have some very good stuff, guys, we have some special for you, but it's actually going to be 5 days special. So what's really happening is you are going to save $100 from our lifetime signals, lifetime VIP signals. You're gonna save $100, which means you're gonna pay 250. 12 months, you're still going to save $100, which is going to be $150. But on 6 months, we're going to cut only $50. Then you can pay $100. So easy as that. So you can scan this QR code or use this number, or in the link you will find my WhatsApp. Let me repeat that. On lifetime, you're going to save $100, which means you're going to pay $250. 12 months, you're going to pay $150, which means you save $100. On 6 months, you're going to save $50, which means you're going to pay $100. So for those who don't understand English, so it means here is going to be $100, 150, and then 250. Simple as that. So until Sunday, so you can just reserve your space if you want to be, or your spot if you want to be part of the team. So what was happening yesterday? Just as it was crazy, guys. The market was going crazy. But I see that Google was selling, Meta Platform was selling, Nvidia was selling, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, all major companies that we know, they were just selling. And we saw some serious sales. But what was happening actually, because we also saw gold was selling, even other pairs which they don't really use, it's not indices, they just currency pairs. They were also on selling spree, which was good because I've been preaching about reversal for quite some time, and luckily enough, it happened yesterday. So anyways, let's go and check what's really happening. Before we go on the chart, let's check our economic calendar. Remember, this week is going to be it's an NFP week, so we're still going to talk about it. So you can see that on Monday we did not really have anything. So the market was just reversing. People, they were just doing their thing. They saw that the market was already up. So today we see service PMI, job openings for US around 5 p.m. Not really that aggressive or that important. I see on Wednesday we have interest rate from Canada. This is the most important one on Wednesday. So Thursday, jobless claims, and on Friday I see NFP there. So that's what we have. But the market will be just doing its thing. Remember, this week the market can go crazy. We have NFP, so the market will be trying its best to adjust for Nasdaq, for NFP. So let's go straight to our DXY. I try to be as quick as possible. So what happened, or what's really happening? We can see that yes, the market is on a downtrend structure. What's really happening? We saw a nice reversal yesterday. Or let me just use this area like that. Maybe the market wants to reach that area and retest, we don't know. But at the same time, I can see that we have some very nice connection around this area. That might be our start of this downtrend with a very nice structure. If not, maybe the market will be trying to go towards this horizontal resistance there and respect that and start to push to the lower side. Yes, we saw that the market was trying to push the upside, but it was not that aggressive to a point where we were going to see some crazy selling structure on other pairs. But anyways, we will see that we did smash the other ones, and the other ones were not triggered, but we will see that when time goes on, when we go through this analysis. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I really appreciate everyone who is here. So by smashing that subscribe, you grow in the channel. By liking these videos, you're recommending these videos to other people who are trying to get this daily analysis. Anyways, let's continue. What's really happening on GBP JPY? we can easily see that GBP/JPY, if you still remember, I've been saying that we don't really have a proper support area. We don't really have a proper support area. And I think the market tried to do that. So maybe we might end up throwing something like that, but we need to be careful. We need to be extra careful so that we don't just throw our own thing. I think we might have something like that going further. So, but for now, what we can do is let's just wait with this line here. I see that maybe the market is trying to create a proper support. So for us to say maybe the market was creating a proper support, sometimes it might confuse you. Remember, we are on an uptrend and we saw a breakout, but this breakout happened, but we did not really have a solid support area. So what we're going to do is, since this was an area of a support, you can see a horizontal support. For us to say this, it was an adjustment, the market has to go through or up above this support. Then we can say, yes, that was an adjustment. Then we can draw our support line like that. And the market might start to do what? To move like that. Because we were still very early in this uptrend, so the market might change that. So we have to mark this area. If not, maybe we might start to see the market pushing even lower. But for us to be safe, we're not going to jump on a sell. What we can do is we can use this the last area that we had, and say, you know what, if the market goes beyond below that area, it's where we can say let's start to think about selling from that. If not, it means the market will be trying to push up again. But I see some nice structures trying to bounce back aggressively. Looks like the market will be trying to push to the upside. But the best thing is to do what? Is to wait and see what the market is going to do. Don't just go in front of the market. Wait for the market to show you the road, then you follow. Now we are on GBPUSD. We were still on the uptrend also. The market yesterday was reversing as we were talking. You see that, yeah, we have this nice structure, but do we have a nice support? Actually, no. So, but we will just use that for now, but we know that we can change that anytime. So let me just use something like that. Let me just create something like that. So now we have something like this. If you still remember, yes, we did have some very nice horizontal supports resistant along the way, but where we are now, the market is very, very closer to this support. So I'm expecting the market to push the upside. Yes, we did have this pending order. The market did touch that, but the market it's been very, very, very slow. It's not really moving. You can see the market where we are, it's actually consolidating. You can see that the market is creating that type of a structure. So what you expect here, we're also expecting the market to continue doing the same thing. Yes, you can see the market did touch our buy pending order there, but the push was very, very slow. The market was just aggressive going down, but pushing up, it seems to be now going even slower. But what I know is we are still on that uptrend. We are still going to see the market trying to push the upside. Simple as that. Until maybe we see this type of a breakout. If the market breaks out of that support area, we might think twice. But for now, we are still on that uptrend. So Euro USD, what's really happening on Euro USD? Let me clear that. I think I was just playing around there. What's really happening on Euro USD? The market is still on that uptrend. We had some serious aggressive sell. We also had a buy pending order, but the market did not really recover very nice. The market was just aggressively pushing lower. So what we have here is we have this proper support. I can't say it's very strong. We don't really have several touches. The proper touch, I can't say this was proper also. So the market was just playing around there, but we have something there. So the market has to give us some nice touches and nice reversal. And if this happened there, that is going to be a very nice one. So what I'm expecting here is I'm still expecting a reversal because we also had a nice support here. So I will be focusing on that horizontal support. If the market pushes up, we have a buy pending order there. It means we might smash that. So I'm still expecting the market to continue pushing to this upside. Unless the market breaks this support area, maybe we will think about a sell opportunity, but for now we are still on that uptrend. Let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, guys, as I give you this analysis every day. So this was the craziest one. Gold, it was going crazy, guys. It just look at this move from this area of breakout, crazy pushed up. Now it's crazy good doing what? Coming back aggressively. I thought maybe the market was going to respect this resistance. Guess what? The market did not really do that. The market continued to push the lower side. So we need to go through that again. Clearly, I will do that. I will have maybe some proper analysis. But these sales, guys, they were aggressive. This is 4 hours, 4 hours time frame, but they look like 15 minutes time frame. The market was just aggressively pushing to the upside. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I have this sinuses, especially early in the morning. So what's really happening? We can see that the market is coming back aggressively from this bullish momentum. So this is something that you will notice that sometimes gold can go crazy, and this makes gold way too risky when you trade, because just imagine if you were on the wrong side. Obviously, this loss is like seriously crazy. But if you were on the right side of the market, yes, one way or another, some people they did it. So we did not really get it right. We thought maybe the market was going to give us a very nice bullish move, but the market did not really do that. The market kept pushing lower. But now we can say we have this highest area now. So I think after this moves, gold will be trying to recover, to maybe give us some nice retest here and there. Then we will see what we can get. For now, just stay out of gold, but I think we will get some very nice structures around this area. Might be another support, but remember, the market reached the highest area. Maybe the market wants to give us a sell. Let me show you this on a weekly time frame. The market reached this level of the highest area there, and if you check since 2020, the market used to respect that. And if maybe the market wants to sell, you will realize that we are still very early. You can see that. So if we are still here, and if the market wants to replay, it means we will get actually an aggressive sell from that. But anyways, this is gold, can do whatever it wants to do. So I hope maybe everyone can just try not to just jump unnecessarily. Try to understand where the market will be going. As we reach the highest area there is a chance that the market can do what? The market can reverse and start to go, and start to give us a downtrend structure as we reached our highest area. So now we are on US30. Yesterday, at least, we did smash US30. What's really happening? We no longer talk about that downtrend. The market is pushing to the upside. If you can check there, you will see that the market is still flying. Actually, you can see the market was on this aggressive bullish move. We meet some there, but yesterday we did get something. We did get something. What's happening? Yeah, you can see there, but it was very quick. I can say it was really aggressive there. It was very quick. We did have a nice buy here. The market just shoot to the upside very quick, but this did not really go the same way as Nasdaq, because Nasdaq was just reversing. But what's the bigger picture here? You can see that the market was going crazy, guys. Just look at this bullish move there. Even though we had some small reversal here and there, but I still believe we will get some nice reversals. Yes, on other pairs we did get that, but on US30 it was like seriously aggressive on this uptrend. But I'm expecting to get maybe a proper reversal. So if we go on a smaller time frame, you start to realize that yeah, the structures are very nice there. We can even go maybe on 1 hour. You will understand that, but mostly you should use a bigger time frame just to understand the bigger picture before you go on a smaller time frame, right? So here what we have, we did smash that. It seems like the market will be trying maybe to consolidate around this area until we see another breakout to the upside. Then we can continue buying. But I still repeat, I think a proper reversal that can work in our favor, because we need to see the market going a little bit lower, and we jump on that time frame. Sorry, on that reversal when it retests. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? We can see that the market was pushing lower for quite some time. Guys, did you realize that? I don't know if maybe it's my system, but this trading view, I don't know if they did update. It seems like it's no longer smoother like before. It's not really smooth, especially when you scroll. Just look, when you try to increase this volume, when you zoom in and out, you can see it's not really that smooth. I hope they update it. I think, and it started last week. Anyways, we had a very nice buy pending order there. You can see, as we had this support area, the market kept pushing lower, and now it's coming back. So it means, yes, we can still expect the market to push the upside. We saw that companies were seriously not performing very well on Nasdaq. I'm talking about Google, Meta Platforms, Nvidia, Able, Oracle, Adobe, PayPal, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and the other ones. They were like seriously struggling yesterday. So that's why we saw Nasdaq aggressively selling like that. But at least they did try to recover, but it was already late. Maybe today we're gonna get a nice recovery. Our pending order is still very valid there, so I'm still expecting the market to push up. I like this reversal because that can give us enough momentum to push the upside. But when the market is still very high without any reversal, sometimes it's difficult for us just to continue or buying, unfortunately. So now we are on German 40 or German 30. What's really happening? Quite similar structure to US30. The market was aggressively pushing lower. It was a very nice downtrend. Now we have a serious aggressive bullish move. What we see here is we just have this bullish move, no aggressive reversals, but we know very well that will happen. We know very well that will happen. Even if maybe we try to draw something like this, you'll see that that is going to be way too higher. Actually, I mean, the trend is gonna be way too steep. We can't have a trend like that where the market is moving like that. That is not going to be sustainable. The market will easily break that. So we have to trade with caution. Yes, you might still make sure your profit because we can see the market was moving like that, but also be extra careful. Be extra careful. We still need soldiers in this game, because it's like people accounts are dying every day. So we need you. We still need you next year. We still need you next year. So play safe. Don't fight the market. And one way or another, you're gonna make it. Just stay here. Just try to repeat whatever that we repeat every day. You're gonna make it. It takes time. We know that. It takes time, but you, one way or another, you're still gonna make it. I hope you understand. But by making it quick, it means you have to have the right tools. You have to have someone who's going to help you, have the mentor. Try different mentors. Just because you had a mentor before, it doesn't mean you don't have to get someone else, because people learn differently. Someone can explain things better than the other person. As long as you invest, it's like investing in yourself. When you buy books, let's say people who buy books, it's like you invest in different people. I also read books. You should, I can't show you that, but read 2-3 books here and there. It's not like maybe they're gonna change you, they're gonna do some miracle stuff, but at least you're gonna learn something from a different person, and just do that. Unfortunately, as traders, we don't really share that. There's nothing wrong with having 2-3 mentors. Learn here, learn there, but all those people, they're going to left something. Something, obviously, once you combine those things, they're going to make sense. Or maybe you can be lucky, one person can make it up for you and you understand everything. Simple as that. So anyways, we still have that special where you save $100 on our 12 months, then you're gonna pay $150. Lifetime, you're gonna pay $250, and on 6 months, you're gonna just save $50, which means it's gonna be $100 only. You can scan this QR code or my number there or the link in description to be part of the team, only for 5 days until Sunday. So which means on Mondays we're going back on our normal prices. Simple as that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.